Hi, lovely people. How are you? So if you read from my description, I am going to be unbagging my Ipsy October 2018, and I like to do the Ipsy verse Ipsy. So if you are new to my channel and you don't know what this is, what I do is I use two different profiles to see, does Ipsy really go by your profile? So I do my own profile, which I say that I'm 42 years old, I have dark hair, blue eyes, I am light complected, and I'm very comfortable with makeup. And then I do another profile that says I'm 25, I have red hair, brown eyes, I'm light complected, and I'm not that comfortable or adventurous with makeup. Now I always say I'm light complected just in case I get a foundation or a concealer, I can still use that. So I got my 25-year-old profile first, and my 42 profile I redeemed some points, so that always takes a while. So let's see what my 25-year-old profile is. Now I did cut it because I always have a hard time opening up these things. So this is what the bag looks like this month. It has like a little mask on here. And it's cute, I guess, for Halloween to dress up. And on here it does say Ipsy. And it's like a regular bag. I like it. I love red and black together. Turquoise is my favorite color, but I love red and black together. I love it so much. Okay, so when you open it up, okay, it comes with a card and it says, "Who said nights were for sleep?" Right there. And then on the back, if you want to pause this and read, it does tell you some information. All right, so the first thing I got is, what is this? This is Space Case. I have no idea what this is. This is what the packaging looks like. Looks like space. I don't know if this is a blush or what is this. Okay, yeah, so it is a blush, and this is in, it's Cosmetic Gangster. Yeah, it's a blush. So let's open that up. Oh, that's really, really pretty, if you guys can see. I like it. Very, oh, it's like cream. This is a cream blush. Okay, right there. It's very like pinky, like light. It is pretty, very pretty. I don't know if you guys can even see it. It's very, very light. It's right there. May not be able to see it, but it's very light, but I will try it and see. Okay, not too fond with cream products, but that's okay. The next thing we got is in here. Let's see. What is this? So this is City Color. Oh, this is a highlighter. Let's see. Let's open it up. So this is in Iridescent Highlight in Nubila. This is like a blue color. Right there. So let's see if I can open it. Yeah, this is like blue. Like an icy blue. But let's say, maybe it's like very light. It's a little chalky. There we go, if you guys can see. It's really pretty though. This is really pretty. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. Let's make it. I'm in front of a window and it's like taking some of their, I don't know, it is right there, but it's very pretty, and I'll probably use this as a shimmer shade, so I like that as well. But I say I'm 25 and I am not comfortable with makeup, so it's kind of weird that I get a cream blush but and a blue highlight, but it's okay. The next thing, ooh, we got is an eyeshadow brush, and this is from, oh, SL Glam. I have got a lot of brushes from them, and I really like this, these brushes. They're so pretty. It comes with the little thingamage crystals right there, or whatever they're called, and I love, love, love. This is like sparkles, glitter, and this is a blending brush, and this is like perfect, and it's very soft. I like it. I love getting any kind of tools. And so let's see, we got two more things. Okay, this is a Hey Honey, Look Into My Eyes. Oh, this is an eye mask. I don't think I've ever tried an eye mask. Let's see. So I guess you would put it on, and then after a few minutes you would take it off. So I am not knocking that. And then I got a Tarte concealer, and this is in the shade Light Sand. Okay, right there. Let's do a swatch. Now, I've tried this concealer before, but because of my age, I don't like anything that's very thick. So usually what I'll do is I'll mix this in with another like more liquidy concealer, if that makes sense. And there we go, right there. So this is a good match. I like it. So let's recap in my 25-year-old profile. So I got the Tarte concealer, which I'm so glad to have Tarte in this Ipsy. We got the Icy Blue highlighter. We got a cream blush. We got the eye mask, which I love, but it's for a 25-year-old, and the tools. So let me know, do you think this is for a 25-year-old or for my profile, 42? Let me know. All right, so now on to mine. Remember, I'm 42. I have dark brown hair. I have blue eyes, and I'm very comfortable with makeup. So let's take out, there's a bunch of things that I redeemed, a lot of stuff. And I will show you what I redeemed. Okay, real fast. I got a couple of the Kokie lipsticks. I got a mask. I got like a cream right here. I got two Dirty Little Secrets eyeshadow. This is a baked highlighter. And this is a bronzer right there. I got this First Aid Beauty moisturizer, which I really like. I got another Hey Honey Tarte Away, the Drama right here. And I got like another little lipstick. Okay, so that's what I got in my things that I claimed. Oh, and another mask. All right, so same thing. This is what we got. And I'm excited to see what I got. Okay. So again, the card, who says nights were for sleep? Okay, I got, looks like that same highlighter. Okay, so if you don't know, since I get two of them, whatever I know I won't use or I get doubles, I put it in a little Ipsy bag, and when it fills up, I have a giveaway. I just ended a giveaway, so we'll start another one because it is the same one in that icy blue one from Stella. Okay, the next thing, oh, I got another thingamajiggy, blending brush. I don't know why I can't think today. So that's the same one. I will put that in a giveaway. So we got two of the same thing. Three, we got, this happened to me before. Did I get the same thing? Yes, I did. I got everything the same. This happened to me before. And I'm like, do they really go by profiles? Because it's completely different age groups. It is completely different profiles. The same thing, the same cream blush. And another concealer from Tarte and an eye mask. The eye mask I'll probably keep, but I will definitely put this in a giveaway. So that's really weird. That makes me think, do they go by profiles or not? I know they can't mess up because in my 42-year-old profile, I redeemed points. And if it was the same bag and they messed up, I would have redeemed the same points again. So I don't know about this. This is what makes me kind of like, do they go by profiles? There are a few people that told me that they had emailed Ipsy, and Ipsy said that sometimes they do give different things, so you can try it. But this is like the same exact thing. So I don't know. More for you guys for a future giveaway. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think? Has this ever happened to you? Now, this happened to me twice now. I will try to leave the video that down below if I can remember of the other video that I got the same thing. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think? What did you get in your Ipsy? Do you like Ipsy? Let me know. Are you getting the Ipsy Glam Plus? I'm still waiting for that email. I am not getting it yet. A lot of people have been asking me. I cannot wait till I get that email because I will be getting it. Yeah, so let me know. Please like this video. It really helps me out. And as always, I always leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. All right, guys, until what is going on? Until my next video. Bye.